My name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the Boat Rockers 255 Bluetooth headphones. These headphones come with Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity, offer sweat and water resistance, which means you can easily wear it for workouts, and you have battery life up to 10 hours. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Rockers 255 from Boat. So as you can see over here, this is the Rockers 255, and this transparent casing on the front means that you can clearly see what the earphones look like. You've got this dual tone finish which is black and greenish, so it's got the sporty touch, and the overall look and feel of the box itself shows you that it is basically highlighting the sporty nature of these headphones. You've got a few features which are mentioned at the back which we want to highlight. So it's got something called CVC noise cancellation, it's got audio technology which is A2DP, and then you have connects two devices simultaneously. So primarily what you can do is you can actually pair these with two of them, and just in case if you unpair with the other, the second one will pair automatically. So that's, I think, a very cool thing to have in this price range. You have 10mm dynamic drivers, so earphones of these size are not very big, which is why it's very hard to fit in heavy sounding dynamic drivers. So it's good to see that 10mm dynamic drivers are there inside this one. You have magnetic lock. So now magnetic lock is primarily like this, something you have this latch over here and it attaches, which is why it's making sure that the wires don't move around here, making it kind of discomforting. And then you have music playback up to 8 hours. So that's also something that Boat is offering with this one. It supports Bluetooth version 5.0 for connectivity, which is something which is quite guaranteed these days. And you have sweat and water resistance, which means you can wear it for all your workouts and outdoor running, so on and so forth. So now let's open the box and see what all Boat is offering with the Rockers 255 over here. So as you can see over here, this is the headphones, and you have this case which has all the documents and stuff that you need. So we'll just walk through those. So you can clearly see that the headphones have got this dual tone finish. It's got this black and green touch, and it's quite sporty in terms of the way it looks, and it's quite nice to see. Apart from this, you have these basic manuals and stuff. So this is primarily the product manual over here. This basically highlights all the features and everything. So if you're someone who is new to the Bluetooth ecosystem, you just have to read through these to understand how the Bluetooth pairing works, how do you turn this on, and how does the mic on this work, so you can take hands-free calling, and how do you pair it with Android or iOS smartphone on your device, and how does the pairing activate, so on and so forth is giving through this. And you also have the safety precaution measures and everything over here with this one. Then you have the warranty card. So the product comes with 1 year manufacturing warranty, so just in case if you have any issues, manufacturing issues within a year's time, and you want to get it done, so you can head over to a nearest Boat store carrying this card, and you can get those fixed without any cost to be paid. Then you have this vibrant product catalog from Boat. It basically highlights all the products that the brand is offering, and it also shows you the kind of brand ambassadors that they have. So they have a lot of accessories that you can check out, so you can definitely do that. Then in addition to this, you have these two important things. I feel this is something which is very important for a lot of people. So just in case you don't like the default buds that come with the earphones, you can try out different sizes. Now everyone has a different kind of fitting, and they want to make sure that it fits comfortably, snugly into their ears. So you can try all of these, and it's good to see that Boat is offering with them, and you can try them out and use the ones which fit absolutely fine for you. Then you have this rugged red colored and black color connector with micro USB cable for charging. It comes inside the box. What you just need to do is you need to connect this port to a power source or a power bank, and you can charge this with the micro USB port on the headphones itself. And this way what you can do is whenever it needs it's on low battery, you can just charge it quickly, and you can get decent amount of battery life with that one. So that's primarily what you get inside the box with the Rockers 255 from Boat. So you can clearly see that Boat is offering you all the things that you need inside the box. With this, you have these earbuds as well, so making sure that all kinds of ear can easily fit in and snugly fit is really important for something like this, especially when you're going to work out and you want to isolate the noise as well. It's got Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. It offers you've got 10mm drivers for sound experience, and you get 8 hours of battery life, which can be charged using the micro USB cable inside the box. Thanks for